Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming basics quickly. Charge above 20% and stay connected so settings load. Now open Settings, tap Battery, then Battery Health and Charging. You're looking at maximum capacity percent and whether peak performance capability is active. These values tell you how the battery performs versus new. Once done, note the maximum capacity number and any messages about service or performance management. This immediate view guides whether you'll continue with optimization, replacement planning, or simple recalibration. Once you've seen the health numbers, calibrate and adjust to get accurate readings and better longevity. First, perform one full charge cycle. Charge to 100%, then use the phone until it shuts down, and charge uninterrupted back to 100%. Make power-saving tweaks like disabling background app refresh and reducing brightness to minimize background drain while you observe changes. Also enable optimized battery charging, so the system learns your routine and slows battery aging over time for better long-term capacity. To finish, interpret the results and act. If maximum capacity is below 80% or iOS flag service, schedule a battery replacement. That restores full performance. If numbers seem inconsistent after calibration, restart the iPhone and check for iOS updates because software can misreport health. Update and recheck. Make a note of readings, repeat the calibration in 2 weeks to confirm trends, and if problems persist, contact Apple support or an authorized provider. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves most reporting anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.